Hey guys, so these jets are do come out for replacement easily on the hot tub. So I just wanted to give you a quick video here. You take the small piece and tuck it back in the hole, and then just take the housing and fit it over top of that until it clicks into place here. It's hard to do this while I hold the phone. There's a slot there, and then just give it a twist. So just to show you, if you twist this housing, it will pop off, and then that little piece just sits in there. So you just fit it back on and give it a twist to the right there. Just clicks into place. So hopefully that helps. Let me know. You can give me a call if you have any more questions. Thanks.